outcome is going to be if you hanging around millionaires every day. Now, what do you think the outcome is going to be? You hanging around criminals, you hanging around low-level people. And nothing against drug dealers and criminals, because these are some of my friends. If people calling me every day about new scams and new jugs and shit like that, then that's gonna be my universe. That's gonna be what's in my mind all the time. I don't want to hear that shit no more. I want to hear about legit shit. I want to hear about 7 figures, the legit way, how you got it out the mud. I'm switching my circle up, not changing my friends. I'm just switching the circle that I'm surrounded by. So I don't want to hear that low energy shit. I want to hear high energy, high level, high minded shit. What do you think the outcome is going to be if you hanging around millionaires every day?
What do you say to people that say you turned your back on the culture or
exactly 100%? I have turned my back on the idea of victimization mentality. We are locked up. We went from 1 and 4. We went from 1 and 4 to 1 and 3, but we always pointing at the white people, but yet we want to spend all of our money on foreigns. We want to spend all our money on luxury as opposed to going and buying some land. America is for sale, and there's a lot of barren land. Disney bought a lot of it in Florida, but the culture has you focused so much on fucking somebody bitch and pulling up in a foreign and rapping about things that could get you locked up and then saying you about prison reform. Like, it's, bro, we brainwashed out here, bro.
Welcome, class. Today we got a little memorial, guys. I'm going to keep it brief. I just want to pay homage to one of the DJs out in Harlem, my birthplace, DJ K Slay. He was a different type of dude, you know what I mean? He kept it 100. He kept it 100. He never took the money, you know what I mean? He didn't take the money like Funk Master Flex and a couple of other DJs that went the mainstream route. He stayed independent, and you know what I mean? And I honor all of the guys that do it the godly way, all the guys that do it hands in the mud, you know what I mean? Not relying on guaranteed checks or guaranteed money from government, Satan, Zaddy, you know what I mean? So we're going to pay homage to my guy, DJ K Slay, and he had a memorial, funeral memorial in Apollo. That's over there on 125th Street, for those of you that don't know. Harlem stand up. And salute to my guy, Big Twin. Y'all go over there to the Meth Lab and subscribe, especially for y'all hip-hop. When y'all need that hip-hop fix, Big Twin is the man to go. But we gonna pay homage to K Slay over here because he represent black culture. He represent black America before all of this consumerism and all this flash came into play. You know what I mean? K Slay stayed who he was. He never switched over. I never seen him in those skinny jeans. I never seen him conforming to the ways of this new society. You know what I mean? And that's just me personally. But all right, guys, here I go. Without any further ado.
We just wanted to have a good time. I had a good time the night before I got here. I was just thinking about what I was going to say. Said, no, you want to speak? I just want to see this brother for the last time, just one more time. I didn't really have nothing to say. I came from the after hours spot. I'm tipsy right now. It is what it is. When we put this thing together, we didn't have a master plan. We didn't have an ulterior motive. We just wanted to entertain y'all. There was nothing going on. We wanted to make sure that everybody was having a good time. And he did that. K Slay, he did that. And you know what? And he always kept me in the loop. But I didn't know that he was the same as me. I didn't know until a couple of days ago, just like I said. And the thing that I want to convey to y'all, after all that was said and done, and after all that's going to be said and done about this great man, he put on a show. He had a job to do, and he did his job. And what I'm saying to y'all, and I'm asking y'all, did y'all have a good time? Did you enjoy the show? Did you enjoy the K Slay parade? So everybody get on up. Yo, what's good, y'all? This is Dougie Fresh sending love and respect to K Slay and his family. Harlem's own K Slay, hip hop own K Slay. You will always be remembered, my brother. Much love to you. And I know the creator is very, very pleased with you.
Peace, y'all. This is hard for me. I can't even sit up here in front and play like, this is easy or this is just something that I'm going to have to get over. I want to send my condolences to Slay's mother and his entire family over here. Man, I know they're telling me that my brother's in this casket over here, but that's just a vessel. The body is just a vessel that stores the spirit of man, the soul of man, the mind of man. When it leaves, that energy, that great energy, it thrives. It goes into a universal storehouse, which is the universe. So that energy you feel when you hear all of these great things they saying about my brother, that's him. He's still here, y'all. So I'm gonna let my wife come up here. I don't want y'all to see the beautiful wife that my brother introduced me to. Man, come on. There she go.
Not exactly how condolences to the family, friends, and loved ones. I guess I'll start with the half story that my husband just told. Slade, and I found myself in the past couple of days getting upset with him because, he's going through his own things. And it's like, my friend, my best friend just passed. And I'm like, you're not just your friend. Like, every time you say it, I talked to him last night. I was like, I think I'm getting upset because you keep saying your friend. But Slade is my friend. I'm one of those friends. Like, I'm protective. He's my friend.
Again, guys, salute to the Meth Lab for this footage. He gone, but he's definitely not forgotten, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share this video, guys. Rest in peace, K Slay, a legend.